If you're looking for a gallery on Google Pixel 11, then you can simply use the Photos app or Google Photos app. And I know that some people might not like this app, but this is actually the gallery that we have on Google Pixel 11. We can easily find all photos and videos that we have on our device. Of course, we can also switch to collections in order to find screenshots. We can also go for videos, of course, if you just want to find them. And we even have some additional tools that you might want to use. And of course, we also have the photo editor as well. And besides that, if you don't really like the Photos app, then instead of using the Photos app, you can also use the Files app by Google over here. So while the Files app is not exactly a gallery, it actually allows you to find all your images and videos straight away by using these categories. The reason why I'm saying it's not really a gallery because it's more like a file manager. You can find every file that you have on your phone, including, of course, photos and videos, but besides that, you can find your audio files, your documents, and downloads. And truth be told, you can also use that in order to edit your photos and videos, but of course, you probably want to actually use the Photos app for that, for the photo editor. But still, like I said, if you don't like the Photos app, you can try to use the Files app instead, to use the file manager. And if you are not satisfied with either of these options, then of course you can always go to the Play Store and you can download a third-party gallery. You can probably search for a gallery and you should be able to install it. However, be careful because most of them actually contain ads, which can be, of course, very annoying to use. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.